Let's install this WYZE Fingerprint Deadbolt. The kit comes with everything that you need to install it, and it takes about 15 minutes. First, you need to remove the old deadbolt. It typically will have 2 screws on the inside of the door, plus 2 screws on the deadbolt itself. Once that is out, you can start by putting in the new deadbolt. There's the word top printed on top of the bolt, which makes it really easy to know which way to put it in. Now it should slide right into place. Even if it's a little snug, just press it or tap lightly to get it into place. It is secured by 2 screws, one on the top and one on the bottom. Now you can install the keypad assembly and the interior assembly. First, line up the keypad assembly with the 2 holes inside the deadbolt and then push them through. Make sure that the wire goes through as well. Now line up the mounting plate on the other side. This also has the word up printed on it with an arrow. Make sure that that is pointing up. Now line up both plates and secure them with the included screws. Now you can connect the wire to the interior assembly. Make sure it is attached completely or your device may not work. To secure the interior assembly, you will need to remove the front plate. Now you can secure it to the mounting plate with the included screws. Now put in the AA batteries. From here, you will download and open the WYZE app to get your device working. Basically, you will press and hold the pairing button until it beeps on the lock, and then you can follow the steps in the app. It's really easy to set up and get going within the app. You can set up a fingerprint, a 4 to 6 digit code, and you can learn more about how the lock works. From within the app, you can also share it with other users, making it really easy to get the whole family set up and working with this. You can charge the keypad as well. It takes a C-type charging port, and you can use a power bank like I have, or you can also get an extension cord or a plug if you have it near and just plug it in. The battery will last up to 10 months. It really just depends on how often you utilize it. Hopefully that was helpful.